Doing this exercise with one arm is going to allow you some more flexibility in which band you use. You don't have to use the lightest one because the more you stand on the band, the harder it's going to be. So here you can see me starting out. I'll stand on the band and I'll go ahead and raise my arm like, oh, that's too heavy. So then I stand a little bit less on the band and then I'm able to get my hand at least to my shoulders. You don't have to go all the way up so your biceps by your ear, but you do want to aim for at least shoulder height or a little bit above. In this video, I'm using a green band, which is the lightest one that the gym offers, and all of the band colors are different. I do suggest using one of the lighter options. This is going to be a very hard exercise if you pick a really thick band, but you can also change the resistance by how much you're standing on the band. Now, when we're doing lateral raises, you want to make sure that your arm is kind of in front. This is called following the shoulder plane. You don't want to go directly out to the side. I also have a natural bend in my elbow. I'm not locking my arm out. What's really important with this exercise is that you don't pick too heavy of a weight because then you'll tend to use your neck and bring your shoulder to your ears while you're doing this. We want to make sure that you're just using your shoulder to raise the band.